Hello guys, today I will show you how to make this hologram effect. You can download the project files from the link in the description below. Now add the video in the green screenshot. Adjust it. Right-click on it and choose Pre-Compose. Double-click on it and select the layer and make a mask. Search for the key light effect and apply it to the layer. Choose the green color. Go to Screen Matte and decrease the clip white and increase the clip black. Now select the glitch clips and drag them to the timeline. Scale them down. Now hide glitch lines 2 and 3. Set the glitch lines 1 mode to hard light and click on this icon. Now unhide the glitch lines 3 and set the mode to silhouette luma. Now create an adjustment layer and move it to the top. Now search for the displacement map effect and apply it to the adjustment layer. Now change the map layer to glitch lines 2. And change the amount to 25. Add the turbulent displace effect. Change turbulent to horizontal displacement. And change the amount to 25 and the size to 3. Search for the tint effect and apply it. Change the white color to cyan and the black to dark blue. Open the mask of the green screen layer and increase the mask feather and decrease the mask expansion. Now change the mode of the composition to add. Add the light image. Search for the curves effect and apply it to the light image. Choose blue and increase it. Select the light image and the green screen composition and pre-compose them. Double-click on the composition and add the glow effect to the green screen composition. Decrease the glow threshold and make the glow original on top and increase the glow radius. Make the glow operation none. Now go to the main composition and go to the tracker. If you don't see it, go to Windows, Tracker. Click on Track Motion and replace the track point to around here. And let it track. Create a null object. Go to Edit Target and choose the null object and hit Apply. Now parent the hologram composition to the null object. Now search for the curves effect and apply it to the main video. Choose blue and increase it a little bit and choose RGB and decrease it a little bit. And we are done. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.